rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I am Hafsa Rifti from Sri Lanka. The 5 pillars of Islam. Islam is built on 5 pillars: Shahada, Salah, Zakah, Saum, and Hajj. Shahada. La ilaha illallah Muhammadur Rasulullah. Shahada is to testify that there is no God but Allah and Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam is the messenger. Shahada lies at the root of a Muslim's life. Salah. Salah is the key to paradise. Salah is to be offered 5 times a day. Fajr, Dhuhr, Asr, Maghrib, and Isha. If your salah is perfect, you will be victorious. If your salah is not perfect, you will be sad and sorrowful. There are many benefits if you pray 5 times a day. Conversing with Allah, earning Allah's mercy, protection from sins. It will be a witness on the day of judgment, protection from hell, remembering Allah and making peace with Him. Zakah. Zakah's literal meaning is cleansing, development. Zakah is a compulsory charity imposed on those whom Allah has blessed wealth with to give a particular portion. There are many benefits of Zakah. Zakah will bring joy and peace in the hearts of the poor. The person who gives Zakah will have the habit of being grateful to Allah. His heart will be made pure and it will bring a balance amongst the community. Saum. Saum is the fast month of Ramadan. The main aim of fasting is to build a society that is obedient to Allah. There are many benefits of fasting. His good deeds will be rewarded from 10 to 700 times. A special entrance in paradise is given to him. Understanding the hardships of the poor. It will intercede on the day of judgment. One will receive the pleasure of both worlds. It will be a means of seeking forgiveness for his sins. Hajj. Hajj is a form of worship which takes place in the month of Dhul Hajj. It is to make pilgrim to the Kaaba if one is able to do so once in a lifetime. One who performs Hajj will be like a newborn baby free from sins. Jazakallahu khairan.